Subscribe my YouTube channel AWS and press the bell icon for never miss another updates.
What is PaaS? PaaS. So this is a good question in interview, and it's commonly used as a platform as a service for cloud computing services. So these are the some of the bigger service provider as a PaaS. So you can see there are many many service provider: Microsoft Azure, Google, Amazon, VMware, DigitalOcean. So these are the commonly service provider as a PaaS. So what is PaaS? PaaS is the give you the platform for service deployment. You can see the operating system you can deploy. You can deploy database, middleware applications, and development. Even it's give the development platform for the developers. So PaaS is the common platform where you can deploy your operating system, deploy your application, deploy your websites. You can also do the integration for the different component like caching, like database, like operating system, also like storage. So if we see the definition, so platform as a service definition: platform as a service or application platform as a service, a PaaS or platform based service is a category of cloud computing services that provide a platform allowing the customer to develop, run, manage application without the complexity of the building and maintaining the infrastructure typically associated with the developing and launching an applications. So this give the service to create, develop, run and manage applications without the complexity of building, because this give the platform as it's reduce the your existing complexity, because when you want to do and with your own frame, so it will having the different complexity, but in a platform as a service you will not get the such complexity, easiness, everything is ready in a single click. So this give the as a service because you have to use already tested and globally used component in a cloud base. So the advantage of the PaaS, it's give the really great flexibility for the scalability. When you are using any application, it will give the auto scaling and many more type of scalability, even storage in terms of your networking, in terms of your performance. It's really cost saving application as you use only the component we have to pay for whatever you use component. Uptime, so in your prime, that's really complex for the uptime in terms of your server. You have to manage the different kind of servers for the availability. But here, the service provider, the PaaS service provider, take caring of your uptime, even the in terms of electricity, in terms of server uptime. Security, it's a great features given by the PaaS, because in existing it's take the so many resources in terms of hardware, in terms of human resource for security, but this service provider almost take caring about the all the type of securities in terms of uh, physical security, in terms of resource security. So this gives the great advantage as a security services, and also security storage of your data and security storage of your uh, servers. So uh, PaaS is provide the all this kind of service as your platform, and you can deploy your website, you can deploy your application over the platform. So friends, this is all about the PaaS, and we'll see the uh, SaaS and IaaS, and also we'll see the difference for the all these services. And please share, subscribe my channel, and don't forget to click on bell icon for next upcoming videos. And thank you.